Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my first official Halloween look, so if you guys want to see how I have achieved this look, then just go ahead and stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is brush up my eyebrows using some soap. Then I'm going to set it with the Aoa Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. Then I'm going to create a base for my lighter shades using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. Once that's blended, I'm going to go in with the MAC eyeliner gel in black, and this is just to create a base on my lid for the black eyeshadow that I'm going to use. From the Jamrock Universal palette, it's called Blackish, and I'm just going to top that up over where I laid the eyeliner gel, and then I'm going to blend out the edges in small circular motions. Once that's complete, I'm going to go in with the purple shade. It's actually called Purple, and I am going to blend out the edges of the black shadow with that. And then I'm going to go into the pink shade, and then that will be my transition color. Then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom, so the black shadow first, then I'm going to apply the purple to blend it out, and then the pink to blend out the purple shade. Now that the eyes are completed, we are going to move on to our base, and we'll start off with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. Next up, we're just going to spray our brush with the Superdrug Vitamin E Hydrating Mist just to apply our foundation, and I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match Foundation, and I think I'm the shade Cocoa in this. I'm not too sure, I'll have to check, but I'll list it below. So I'll just press that into my skin, and then we'll move on to the next step. So next up, we're just going to do some extended lips, and we are going in again with the black MAC gel liner, and I am just drawing that, and then I will make it matte using Blackish from the Jamrock Universal palette. Next, I am going in with the purple and the pink to blend it out because I don't want it so sharp. I want it looking smudged. Yep, just how I want it smudged. Right, so next we're going to use some PS Fight Club gems that I got from Primark to do this look. Obviously, because I'm not so talented in laying these gems on myself, but I really like how they look, and this is basically just me following the pattern that's on the package. Right guys, so the look is pretty much done. I just need to pop on some lashes and bam! Here's the lashes on, and I'm just gonna go and pop on my wig. This is the final look, y'all. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for the rest of the week for my other videos.